I used to make 3K a month working in telecommunications. It was a safe job, but I felt like I was stuck on a treadmill. Same hours, same pay, no freedom. Then I discovered how to turn one single AI skill into a service. That skill alone took me from 3K a month all the way to 40K a month. And more importantly, it gave me that freedom that I needed. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact system that I used so you can just copy me and do the same. By the end of this, you'll understand and know how you can identify profitable AI skills that even beginners can start today, how to package skills into high-value services that businesses actually want, and how to get your first client, even if you have zero experience. This is the same roadmap that's helped over 100 of my students leave their 9-to-5 job and build businesses with AI. So if you've been thinking at all, how do I actually make money with AI, then this video is for you. Most beginners make the same mistake. They open up ChatGPT, they try everything, they get overwhelmed, and then quit. But here's the truth. You don't actually need 20 AI skills. You need one profitable skill you can master and monetize. And here's how I figure out which AI skills are worth my time. First, start with demand. So ask yourself, are businesses already paying for this? For example, AI automations, AI chatbot, lead generation tools. Businesses want these now, not in 5 years' time. And if you can deliver results in days, not months, then clients are more likely to pay premium rates. And some skills do open doors to bigger opportunities. For example, learning AI automation. That can lead you to full systems that build reoccurring revenue. But learning how to prompt better might impress your friends. But businesses don't pay for that on its own. They pay for results like saved hours, more money, or better marketing. So back to my statement earlier, why should you just focus on one skill? And the reason is because when you specialize, you stand out more in the market. Instead of being another AI generalist, you're an AI automations expert for gym, or the AI content system builder for real estate. That positioning makes it 10x easier to get clients and accelerates your growth in the market. One of my students actually picked an AI outreach automation as his skill. In 90 days, he actually signed 5 clients and replaced his 9-to-5 job income. So once you've picked your skill, the next step is actually turning it into an offer that businesses will pay for. And here's something everyone gets wrong. The businesses, they don't buy skills, they buy solutions. So here's how you package your AI skill into something that'll sell. First of all, you need to find the pain point. Businesses spend money to solve problems, not just to try new tech. And then you need to create an outcome-based offer. Instead of saying I do AI automation, say something like I'll automate your client onboarding and save you 20 hours a week. But then you need to position yourself as a pro. So even if you're new, don't say you're new to all of this. You need to position yourself as an expert, someone that builds these systems, not just someone who's having fun with AI. And a lot of people ask me about pricing. They really haven't a clue what to charge. My recommendation is start with packages. So $500 for a startup fee. Then you can bump it to $1,500 once you have 2 or 3 of them in the door. Then 3K setup fees once you have 5 or 6 clients. And then your actually monthly retainer can go to about $500 to $1,000 per month. And this works because it gives them clarity. Clients don't care about how advanced your prompt engineering is. They care about the fact that their business now saves $5,000 a month in wasted time. And when your offers are framed around value and not hours worked, you can charge premium rates, even as a beginner. One of my students actually packaged a simple AI lead generation tool into a $2,000 per month offer. And why do clients say yes to him? Because they see the value, not just a tool. By the way, if you want to see the exact system I use, templates, scripts, everything from A to Z, check the link in the description. It has my entire playbook inside there. It's helped dozens of people go from 0 to profitable in 60 days, even 30 days in some cases. Okay, once you've picked a skill, you've packaged it into an offer. Now's the big question. How do I get clients if I've no track record? So here are a few steps that I recommend. Number 1 is documenting the journey. So post on social media about what you're learning, the skills you're building. Even if it's small wins, it is a win. You need to create simple credibility. So case studies, testimonials. Show your offer or your product in action. People love seeing real examples. And I've seen people saying, oh, but you're new to this, you haven't a clue what you're doing. You can actually take that and say, yeah, I am new and I'm hungry to bring results for people because of this. Then you need to be sharing a clear call to action or a CTA. So basically telling people to book a call with you, DM you a certain keyword to get started. You need to actually tell them what to do for them to get in communication with you. And this works because buyers don't just care about experience. They care about energy, transparency, and most of all, results. So when you show you're learning publicly, people naturally trust you more. They feel like they're growing with you. And here's the thing, some clients actually prefer working with people that are new because they know you'll give them extra attention. One of my students went from 0 to 18K in just 65 days by posting everything on Twitter. No paid ads, no cold calls or emails, just sharing his process consistently. So here's the bottom line. You don't need 100 AI skills. You don't need to spend years learning. You just need these few key points. Number one, being a profitable AI skill. Number two, a clear service package that solves the business problem. And number three, a clear client acquisition system that works, even if you're brand new to this. This system has already helped over 100 people quit their jobs and build businesses with AI. And if you're ready to learn these high income skills and build your own location freedom, financial freedom, and start a business, then I actually personally help people work through the steps one-to-one and guarantee success in your business. So if you want to speak to me personally, check the link below and book a call.